Let's now have a look at a present value calculation type question. Your company has offered to pay you a bonus of either $5,000 today or $7,000 in 2 years. If your required interest rate is 7% per year, which is the better option? So this is a very typical present value type question. It's asking you to compare lump sum amounts which occur in different points in time to each other. So as you know, you can't compare this $5,000 amount and this $7,000 amount directly to each other because they occur at different points in time and aren't directly comparable. What you have to do is essentially calculate the present value of this $7,000 amount using this interest rate of 7% and a time period of 2 years. So just to summarize, you really have two options. Your first option is to choose either the $5,000 amount, and option 2, right, is to wait 2 years, so year 0, 1, 2, and receive the $7,000 amount in 2 years time. Okay, so whether you decide option 1 or 2 will just depend on what the present value of the $7,000 amount is. So the present value formula, as you guys know, is equal to PV is equal to the future value divided by 1 plus R taken to the power of T. So in terms of given information, we've been given pretty much everything that we need to apply this present value formula. We know what the future value is. The future value is $7,000. That's the lump sum. We know what the interest rate is. It's 7%. Okay? And when we plug this into a calculator, we typically represent it as a decimal. So 7% as a decimal is 0.07, and we get that by dividing it by 100. And our time period in this case is 2 years. So that's how long we need to wait in order to receive the $7,000 amount. So we have everything that we need to essentially apply the present value formula. So let's apply it. Present value is equal to the future value, which is $7,000, divided by 1 plus the interest rate, which is 7% or 0.07. And the time period in this case is 2 years. And what that means is we're essentially discounting it by 7% 2 times. Okay? So if you evaluate this term in your calculator, you should get $6,114.07. Okay, so if we compare the present value of the $7,000 amount with option 1, $5,000 amount, it's quite clear that it's better for us to actually wait 2 years and take the $7,000 bonus, because the present value of that $7,000 bonus based on an interest rate of 7% is worth significantly more than taking the $5,000 right now. And that's it, guys.